Hello, hello, hello. Let's go here. Good morning. Do like, share, subscribe here. Getting late today, but it's good. At least we will reach on time. Not on time, but yeah, we will reach. Is it recording or not? Yeah, it's recording. It's already 9:10, yeah. As I already told you now, like one episode I will shoot in English and one in Hindi. So night episode will be in Hindi. Right now I am speaking in English. But only good for you as well, I think. Whoever is watching my videos, they will also like learn some word. It will be good. I'm also trying to speak English. So because if you wanna grow, you need to speak English. You need to learn it, and you need to be fluent. How you will be fluent if you will not speak English? So support my channel, and do like, share, subscribe. Let's go. I will have breakfast, then we'll go together to office. I am feeling good. After complete one day, like 24 hour, I am riding my bike again. Sorry, yesterday I haven't posted anything. Sorry, day before yesterday I haven't posted anything because I haven't had any content for my channel. But now I have. Today I will post this, and I think you guys are liking like this kind of content as well, like in both language. It will be good for you as well. Yesterday I was watching one series that is Billionaire Bunker. That is very good series. Only 12 episode is there, I think. No, 12 episode. It hasn't ended yet, but only one season came. No, so I completed that one season. And now I started watching Bandidos. That is also left, like some part is left. Like I watched 2 season, I think. 2 season is there or 3 season is there? 3 season is there. But second season I watched half. Not completely. I will complete it like Saturday, Sunday I am getting I will complete in these 2 days. Oh my god, look at the doguj. Mic is good now, like sound is coming or not. You can write in comment section, if you want. And give hearts, yeah. Fill my comment section with hearts. If you're liking this channel, like it, do share, subscribe. And if you're liking my content, otherwise you can dislike as well. It's your choice completely. XUV 360. I like this car. This is EV, no? I think so. No, this is not EV. This is a different one. XUV 360. Bullet. Classic package. OMG. Uncle. I think sounds is coming good. No, I wanna tell you something. I wanna tell some motivation. I wanna give some motivation. Actually, as a human, 99% of time we are worrying about that thing, which is never gonna be happen. Literally, which is never gonna be happen. So don't worry about it, yaar. Just move on. Do your work. Focus on your thing. No need to worry about anything, We are here only for 100 years, At most 100 years, I'm saying. If you're lucky enough, you will have life beyond 100 as well. OMG. I don't know what Bangalore management is doing because they're not making any road. They're just ruining it. Literally, whenever you will see good road, next day they will come and they will put some hole on the road. Such a pathetic management is there. OMG, wait. I don't like this path. I don't like this way. Like, see, they are putting garbage truck over here and it is just smelling so bad over here. Complete environment is smelling bad. No, those surrounding, I don't want to be here. It's 9:16. I will reach by 10:40 or 10:50 I will reach, I think. Let's go. I will have puri sabji, then I will move to office. I'm feeling very hungry at morning. I don't know why. Yesterday I haven't eaten anything. I eaten only that noodles, which I made by myself. I can make noodles. I can make tea as well. I'm still feeling hungry. So I will have breakfast, then I will go to office. Let's go this side. We'll go from here. If I will come from there, no, I will get late for sure. That's why I'm coming from here only. Now I will take wrong path, wrong way. Hold on, ऑटो वाले भैया. See, no traffic police is there, no? If traffic police will be there, no, you will have traffic over here. Literally. They are doing negative work. They are not doing positive work. I didn't see it. OMG, let me go, yaar. By 9:25, 30, I will reach to that place where I will have breakfast. Then I will go to my office. Get your hot dogs. You guys are watching 600 LBS. It is on YouTube all over. Like, it is very good. Like, they are showing OBs in the show. Like, who is having habit to eat a lot. Like, they are crossing their weight around 600 pounds. So that kind of movies they are showing in that show. I really like it. I really like it. I like it a lot. You know, Ovich people. Let's cross here. Police is there or what? No, no police is there. Oh my god, traffic is not there. See how empty it is. Like festive season is going on now, so a lot of people going to home, going to their native. So I will reach early, I think, then in this case. Who the hell is that guy? Oh, making a lot of noise, this bike. I think he modified silencer. That's why it is making a lot of noise. I don't know why people are modifying their silencer, bike silencer. It's not looking good. It is making unnecessary noise. Yeah. And if we pass by any hospital, it will cause some sort of issue. So don't do that, yeah. Let's go. I will have breakfast, then I will go to office. Whoever is coming in Bangalore, just DM me. We'll meet. We'll plan to meet somewhere. You know, like I will suggest you as well, like which coaching you need to join. You know, if you want to get a job. So I will suggest you. I will look for you as well. You know. What the hell is this? See, he's placing his truck on road. Because of him, no road jam is happening. Cross here, cross. This is drive. He's having learning license, so he's driving slowly, very slowly. See, L is written over here on back of his car. Where you wanna go? Here, see. See. I'm gonna give you one information here. Like, if you wanna watch my old episode, like day 1 to day 61. Today is day 62, I think. So you can follow my playlist. There is one playlist as well. Okay, we'll meet after break.